So in this video, we will see how to create the fixed price in business in a very few steps and very easy manner. There is no complication just creating fixed price in business. You just have to follow some of the basic steps by which you can create it. So for creating the fixed price, you should have like Visual Studio app. So for that, you should use this in the official website to download the app in www.visualstudio.com. So where you can access the versions and get the more configuration features there. Let's start the video. So first of all, we will go on the Visual Studio, and then we will just you can create new files by pressing on new files. Okay, pressing on new files and text files. Okay, first I will also tell you the process. You press the control plus N, so automatically you can go to create the text file. So then we will go on the file icon and we will save this with a specific name, that is your VS Code. Okay, VS Code. So there's a plain text file using the format of plain text file, which I will be saving. So successfully the VS Code file is created and it is showing the location of the language, name and download section in this file. Then the option is path. You can do the another step by doing it in the command prompt, but that is a complicated and not very efficient. So this step is more easier and more helpful for me. Then any video you want on specific programming, and I will continue my series on the programming. So stay tuned and subscribe and let me know that what you want and what qualities on my content you want. Just me.